Imagine stepping out on a crisp winter morning, wrapped in a luxurious camel coat like Jackie Kennedy, or wearing a tailored wool blazer reminiscent of Grace Kelly's Elegance. The old money style isn't just about clothes, it's about a timeless attitude, quiet sophistication and effortless refinement. Winter, with its layers and textures, is the perfect season to channel this classic aesthetic. I've always been drawn to the idea of quality over quantity, a hallmark of the old money style. I remember last winter I was invited to a formal gathering and had nothing that felt right. Trendy pieces just didn't capture the elegance I wanted. That's when I invested in a vintage wool coat and a pair of leather gloves. The compliments I received that evening convinced me, timeless fashion truly stands out. If you've ever admired the understated grace of Audrey Hepburn, or the classic charm of Princess Diana's winter outfits, this video is for you. What's your favorite winter piece that makes you feel elegant? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. My name is Sumia, and today we're exploring old money-inspired winter outfits to help you embrace a wardrobe filled with timeless pieces. Make sure to subscribe to Sumia's Elegance for more tips on women's fashion, elegance, and old money style. Winter outfit ideas. These winter outfit ideas are timeless, versatile, and perfect for any occasion, from casual outings to more formal settings. Outfit 1. Imagine stepping out in a long camel coat layered over a crisp white turtleneck and gray wool trousers. Pair this look with polished leather loafers and a structured handbag. Add a silk scarf for a touch of elegance, and you're ready for anything from a cozy coffee date to a business meeting. This outfit reminds me of something Carolyn Bessette Kennedy might wear, simple yet striking. What would you add to this look to make it your own? Outfit 2. A navy wool coat layered over a cable-knit sweater paired with a pleated plaid skirt creates a timeless and slightly preppy ensemble. Complete the outfit with tights, knee-high leather boots, and a pair of leather gloves. This look feels very Princess Diana, blending comfort with sophistication. Would you prefer a neutral plaid or something with a pop of color for the skirt? Let me know in the comments. Outfit 3. A cream cashmere sweater tucked into beige tailored trousers creates an effortlessly elegant base. Layer on a tweed blazer for texture and warmth, and finish with polished brogues and a pearl necklace. This outfit is perfect for a museum visit or a dinner party, exuding quiet luxury. I wore a similar outfit last winter, and it turned heads at an art exhibition. It's amazing how simplicity can make such a statement. These outfits are all about combining timeless pieces with understated sophistication. Which of these looks do you see yourself wearing this winter? Or do you have your own ideas for old money-inspired outfits? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's inspire each other to embrace elegant winter style. Next up, we'll wrap things up with a thoughtful conclusion, so don't go anywhere. Conclusion. Timeless elegance is never out of style, especially in winter, when layers, textures, and rich fabrics allow you to fully embrace the old money aesthetic. From classic camel coats to luxurious cashmere sweaters, we've explored how to curate a winter wardrobe that exudes sophistication and refinement. Remember, old money style isn't about chasing trends. It's about investing in quality pieces that stand the test of time. It's about wearing clothes that make you feel confident, poised, and effortlessly polished. As Audrey Hepburn once said, elegance is the only beauty that never fades. Are you a fan of the classic camel coat or like a cream cashmere sweater? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Sumia's Elegance for more insights into women's fashion, elegance, and the old money lifestyle. And make sure to check out my other videos for more inspiration. Until next time, stay warm, stay timeless, and stay elegant.